In this video, we will compare Zendesk versus ServiceNow, the best CRM software. Zendesk is a leading customer service platform known for its user-friendly interface and extensive range of tools aimed at enhancing customer support experience. It's designed for businesses of all sizes. Zendesk offers a suite of features including ticketing, live chats, knowledge-based management, and multi-channel support. One of Zendesk's standout features is its ease of use, which allows customer support teams to manage requests and inquiries in an efficient manner without a complex setup. Additionally, Zendesk offers a various integration with third-party applications, enabling businesses to customize their customer support workflows. It provides a robust reporting and analytical tools to help organizations track customer interactions, identify trends, and optimize service performance. Zendesk is particularly favorable for small to medium-sized businesses and startups due to its scalable pricing plans and intuitive interface, though larger enterprises still may find Zendesk useful. On the other hand, ServiceNow is a more enterprise-focused platform designed to handle a wide array of business processes, including IT service management, customer service management, human resources, and security operations. ServiceNow Customer Support module is very robust, offering end-to-end management and customer inquiry. It allows businesses to automate workflows, improve cross-department collaboration, and ensure service legal agreements are all met. While ServiceNow offers powerful customization and capabilities, it is often preferred by larger organizations as it is more complex and requires a long implementation time. The platform is ideal for large-scale enterprises looking for a comprehensive enterprise-grade solution to manage customer service as well as other things for other business operations. However, ServiceNow pricing and complexity is not suitable for small business owners as it's highly expensive compared to Zendesk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.